Have you ever wondered what happens when the brightest minds behind Tesla, Polestar, Lucid, and BYD come together to build the ultimate electric sports car? Well, buckle up because today, we're diving into the world of Longbow Motors, the British EV startup that's shaking up the game with not one, but two jaw-dropping electric sports cars, the Longbow Roadster and the Longbow Speedster. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly why these cars are turning heads, how they compare to the competition, and whether they could be the EV sports car you've been waiting for. Let's get started. Main content. First up, let's talk about the Speedster, the one that refuses to play by the rules. This isn't just any convertible. It's a roofless, windshield-free, pure driving machine that weighs just 895 kilograms. That's lighter than most EVs on the market. With a powerful 240 kW 322 bhp motor, it rockets from 0 to 62 miles per hour in just 3.5 seconds and delivers an impressive 275-mile range. But the best part? The Speedster is designed for drivers who crave an unfiltered, raw driving experience. No fancy gimmicks, no artificial engine noises, just you, the road, and an EV built for pure adrenaline. Now, for those who prefer a bit more comfort without compromising on speed, the Longbow Roadster is here to impress. Despite its name, it's actually a fixed-roof coupe, offering a more traditional sports car feel. It's slightly heavier at 995 kilograms, but don't let that fool you. This beast still sprints from 0 to 62 miles per hour in 3.6 seconds and boasts a range of 280 miles. Oh, and did we mention it comes in at a more affordable price of £64,995? That's right, a high-performance EV sports car that won't break the bank. Who's behind IT? Longbow Motors is the brainchild of British engineers Daniel Davey and Mark Tapscott, two industry veterans who were tired of waiting for someone else to create a true electric sports car. With experience at companies like Lotus, they knew exactly what it takes to make a lightweight, high-performance machine. Their philosophy? Keep it simple. Instead of trying to reinvent the wheel, they source motors, batteries, and brakes from trusted suppliers while focusing on what truly matters: an exceptional driving experience, design, and performance. So how does Longbow manage to keep these cars so light? The answer lies in their smart use of materials. Instead of costly carbon fiber, they opted for a lightweight aluminum structure with sustainably produced composite panels. Even the headlights and mirrors are sourced from existing parts bins to keep costs down without compromising quality. This is a car designed with a pure, driver-first mindset. And let's talk about the drive. Unlike many modern EVs that rely on artificial sounds and complex driving modes, Longbow is keeping it real. There's no fake engine noise, no unnecessary gimmicks, just raw, unfiltered power. The electronic power steering and ABS brakes ensure safety, but the rest is up to the driver. It's all about feeling connected to the road, something many EVs have struggled to deliver. The competition. Now, you might be wondering, how does Longbow stack up against the competition? Well, here's the deal. While major brands like Lotus and Porsche are preparing their own electric sports cars, Longbow is already ahead of the curve. Their modular design means they can easily swap out motors, battery chemistries, and even power outputs without a complete redesign. That's a level of flexibility we don't often see in the automotive world. And let's not forget about the Tesla Roadster. While many customers have been waiting years for Tesla to deliver on its promises, Longbow is stepping in to fill that gap. Their Roadster is here, it's real, and it's ready to hit the streets way before Tesla's ever-delayed model. The name and the future. So what's with the name Longbow? Well, it's a nod to precision, control, and the perfect harmony between man and machine. A longbow and an archer are nothing without each other, just like a driver and their car. It's also a cheeky jab at the French, hinting at the historic English longbowman who turned the tide in battles. And who knows? Maybe we'll see an Agincourt edition in the future. Looking ahead, Longbow plans to have a working prototype by this summer, with early buyers getting their cars as soon as next year. That's right, you won't have to wait forever to see these beauties on the road. Outro. So, what do you think? Could the Longbow Roadster or Speedster be the EV sports car you've been waiting for? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this deep dive, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more electrifying EV content. Want to see more? Check out our other videos on the latest and greatest in the world of electric cars. See you in the next one. Drive electric, stay charged, and keep pushing the limits of EV performance.